Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI and creator of ChatGPT, has invested $180 million in Retro Biosciences, a San Francisco-based biotech company, to support their mission of adding 10 years to the healthy human lifespan. This investment is one of the largest individual investments in an anti-aging startup. Retro Biosciences was founded by biotech veterans Joe Betts-LaCroix, Sheng Ding, and Matthew Buckley. Altman got interested in health research after reading about studies in which old mice were reinvigorated with the blood of young mice. Besides investing in Retro Biosciences, Altman also takes part in his own age-reversing rituals, such as exercising regularly and taking diabetes drug metformin that is believed to increase longevity. Silicon Valley entrepreneurs, including Peter Thiel, Calico Life Sciences, and Altos Labs, have also shown interest in health and longevity research.